Is your fern looking like it's stuck in time and not growing at all? Do you look at it every day and only see dry leaves or that pale, lifeless green color?
Many people think the problem is just watering or the lack of light inside the house.
But the truth is, your plant might be starving for very specific nutrients right now. Today, I'm going to teach you a 2-ingredient secret that will change everything in just 7 days.
Get ready to see brand new shoots popping up from all sides of your fern at an accelerated pace. This is the secret that professional nurseries hide and don't want you to find out. And the best part is that the main ingredient is sitting in your kitchen cupboard right now. We're talking about raw rice, a powerful natural stimulant for the root system and foliage.
Rice isn't just for feeding us, it's a true gold mine for the plant kingdom. It contains starch, nitrogen, and B-complex vitamins that ferns deeply love. But you can't just throw the rice into the pot. There's an exact technique to prepare this tonic. I tested this mixture myself, and the results were simply unbelievable in just 1 week of use. The leaves that were once wilted and lifeless gained an intense shine I had never seen before. If you want to see your plant like that, subscribe to the channel right now so you don't miss our secret recipes. The secret to boosting the rice is a common second ingredient that you also have at home. Together, these 2 elements create a growth explosion that will completely transform your garden. Ferns are demanding plants, but with this trick, they become simply irresistible and full.
You'll notice that the tips of the leaves will stop drying out immediately after the first application.
Raw rice releases nutrients slowly, ensuring a constant supply of food for the soil.
This creates the perfect environment for the fern's new eyes to wake up from their deep sleep. Imagine your plant finally voluminous and with that intense green color typical of a tropical rainforest.
All you're going to need is half a cup of raw rice and 1 liter of filtered water. Let's start by blending this rice in the blender until it turns into a very fine, white, and consistent powder. This concentrated rice powder will be the main base for our high-performance homemade fertilizer. When we turn rice into powder, the plant can absorb all the minerals much faster. Powerful tips like this are worth gold, so go ahead and click that subscribe button right now. Now, the second ingredient is what will immediately activate all the microflora in your pot's soil. 1 tablespoon of organic or brown sugar will serve as immediate fuel for the plant's roots. Sugar feeds the beneficial bacteria that help the fern process nutrients much better. Mix the rice powder well with the sugar and water until you get a powerful, milky solution. This turbocharged rice water is the true elixir of youth for any species of fern. You no longer need to spend fortunes on chemical fertilizers that often burn your plant. The natural method I teach here is much safer and brings visible, permanent results. Now, pay close attention to the correct way you should apply this powerful mixture to the pot. Never pour the liquid directly into the center of the plant, but rather around the outer edges of the pot. Fern roots spread through the sides, and that is exactly where the magic happens. Apply this preferably in the late afternoon, when the sun has gone down and the temperature is mild. The soil needs to be slightly moist before you add your special raw rice secret. In just 48 hours, you'll already notice a clear change in the texture of the leaves. By the 4th day, the first green spots of new shoots will start to emerge all over the base. It's exciting to see life coming back with such strength and vigor in such a short amount of time. Many people make the terrible mistake of throwing away the water they use to wash their daily rice. But by using raw rice ground on the spot, the nutrient concentration is 10 times higher. Your fern will thank you with a green mane so big that everyone will be envious.
This method works for Boston ferns, sword ferns, French lace, and many other species. Nature always gives us everything we need. We just need to learn how to use it the right way. The nitrogen present in rice is the fuel that gives the strength for the leaves to grow massive. The B-complex vitamins protect the plant against fungi and diseases common in apartments. If you really want to have an urban jungle at home, this is the first step you should take. Don't give up on your little plant just because it looks lifeless or dying at this moment. Sometimes it just needs this homemade push to show all its hidden natural beauty. Repeat this process once every 15 days to keep the growth rhythm constant. You'll see that in 7 days, your fern will be a completely different and renewed plant. Your visitors will ask what expensive imported product you are using on them. And you'll be able to smile knowing the big secret is just the raw rice from your daily life. The shine that rice starch provides is something unique that no chemical product can mimic. Caring for plants is a wonderful therapy, and seeing this quick result brings immense happiness. Don't forget to wipe the dust off the leaves with a damp cloth so they can breathe much better. Indirect light combined with the rice tonic is the ultimate formula for absolute success in cultivation. Your vertical garden will never be the same after you make this simple and cheap discovery. The fern is a symbol of prosperity, and now yours will prosper like you've never seen before. Remember to use plain white rice, the simplest kind you can find in any market. You don't need to buy expensive rice because the starch and essential nutrients are the same in all of them. This fertilization technique is ancient and widely used by professional growers around the world. I am very happy to be able to share this valuable knowledge with each one of you here. After all, seeing a plant grow healthy is a true gift for our soul and for our home. Take the test today and come back here to tell me your results next week. I want to see everyone participating, so comment right now, "My fern will grow," so I know. Your home will gain much more life and fresh air with these giant and wonderful ferns. The secret is revealed, and now it is entirely in your hands to transform the health of your plants. Always cultivate with a lot of love. Use raw rice and prepare for nature's grand spectacle. Give your fern the care it deserves. Stay consistent and watch every new frond become proof that your patience is paying off. And remember, sometimes the simplest ingredients can make the biggest difference when you give your fern the right care and a little time to respond.